Good morning! Well, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. It's morning for me. It is Sunday morning, the 25th of June, so I think it's going to be... Oh, this is too dark. I like this way brighter. Let me just put the brightness up on this. Da, 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 da. Better. Yeah, it's the 25th of June, so I think it's going to be ages away when you guys watch this. But this is filmed pre my shopping ban, just to preface. But I am popping to the charity shops this morning because I want to try and find a dress for something extremely exciting. You would already know from the title, but I am attending the Barbie premiere and I want to find and try and thrift a dress to wear for it because I'm going to Crete next week, and then it's literally the Barbie premiere is the day we come back, so it's all go 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 go. And I need to get something before I go, basically, so I'm gonna go around the charity shops and try and find something. What I like really want is something like cutesy gingham picnic vibes, and then I've got loads of bows so I can do like my hair in a bow. I found like a pair of heart sunglasses. I want like adorable accessories. I've obviously got a pink bag in my roster, so I've got all the accessories. It's really just about the dress or jumpsuit or play suit, whatever I end up deciding on. But Royal Trinity Hospice near me in Putney. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Ellen, by the way. Welcome, and hope you enjoy being part of... I feel like this is like me doing a product placement. I just need to spritz my face, but let's put it over there because that's not a product placement. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, I live in southwest London, and the high street near me, I live in like Putney, and I've got Putney and Fulham, Broadway, Parsons Green, all those charity shops around me that are quite like, they have a lot of high-end stuff, so those are the ones I want to check out. I want to check out Farah in Parsons Green and Royal Trinity Hospice in Putney High Street. I feel like they're going to be my success place. I don't know why, it's just a vibe I've got. I'm doing my affirmations, look in the mirror, everything happens and works out for me, and everything is going to work out for me. Finding a dress today and just... that's gonna be the vibe. We're just gonna hope for the best and see what we end up getting. And I thought I would obviously take you guys along with me. So I've got a few chores to do around the house. I'm literally sitting surrounded by washing, but a few chores to do around the house, and then let's go. So I found this gorgeous M dress. It's very long though, so I don't know if it's gonna work for me, but apparently... oh, I've just dropped that one on the floor, oops, put that there. Apparently Kate Middleton wore it recently, so I can see that from it. And then I've got this one which just dropped, but I'll put this on, but it's a Whistles, I think, £60, it's size 10 though, so I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's very cute.
It's fine.
Yeah, the sports bra there.
Buying beach towels.
Right. I'm just undecided. This is cute. Oh, I've ended up in TK Maxx now. This is cute, but I think it's a bit big. So this is a bit of a patchy vlog, honestly. Bit of a patchy vlog. I am in the office. I probably shouldn't spin around because there's probably emails that I shouldn't be showing. But we are actually moving offices soon, so I think it's okay to show the office. But basically, I am filming on my iPhone because I am going to go to For Love Not Landfill pop-up in Angel, Islington, which is around the corner from my office, today in my lunch break, and I wanted to take you guys along with me because it's going to be a continuation of this video where I'm still trying to find something for the Barbie premiere, it wasn't very successful. Last time I went and I forgot my camera. So we've got iPhone vlogging. I think I'm going to start trying to do like more iPhone vlogging to try and get more content out, because I want to film more and like get more stuff out, but my camera makes it feel like I need to do something very profesh, and I kind of want to keep it more laid back and do some chill bits, so I was thinking I could like film like daily vlogs, edit them on CapCut, and then get them up like in the afternoons, which will be a possibility maybe. All right, not yet. I feel like when I film stuff like that, I'm like, it's so ridiculous because, oh, this is Mel, by the way.
Oh no, wait, I wasn't ready.
You weren't ready? When I film stuff like that for the vlog, it's so ridiculous because, like, yes, it looks cute in the vlog, but like everybody knows that I either just set on my camera or someone's literally holding it while I walk past and I'm having to go back and get it. It adds edge to the vlog, doesn't it? So we've made it. It was a very easy journey on the bus, and it is literally, oh my god, I could just flip you around. Can I? Can you flip Royal? Maybe you can't. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna find something easy.
That's what I was thinking, yeah? Like, I thought it'd be the perfect spot. So cute. Is that got fluffs on it as well?
Yeah. Can you try this one on?
How much is it though?
300.
And it's a size 8, that's never gonna happen.
Wasn't ready.
That's actually really cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
It fits nicely, and at the back seat, it just needs doing up a pose, and it's £25. Nobody's child.
Nobody's child.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then would you do one that way?
That's so nice.
Yeah. Will you hold on, can you take a pic? I want to send Laura a picture. It's very nicely as well.
All of it is like, it was so flattering on you.
It's so cute. Plea here, but might be good for Laura.
Still trying on it.